To then come up with the relief well plan options, we simply bring up the dialog as required. And from within this relief well plan options dialog, we can start to specify the type of relief well plan we would like to create. There are three options available to us: the simple oriented intercepts as well as the parallel track method. We use the parallel track method in this particular demonstration. And from within this dialog, we then key in the parameters as required. The input parameters have been organized in such a way as to reflect a typical relief well plan process, where we begin with the intersection depth and we work our way gradually upwards to the various tracking point offsets as well as the distance from those intersections. Once these parameters have been specified, we then hit apply, and the application now cycles through those values as well as considers the need to avoid intersection with those faults. It then generates a list of relief well plan options for us. There are some important criteria to consider when it comes to the surface locations of these relief wells. These are dictated by various factors, primarily a safe distance around the target well, but as well as other parameters such as the behavior of the plume, as well as if there are any existing obstacles on the seabed, for in this case. What we have done in this demonstration is we have outlined three areas from which to drill our relief well plans from. These are indicated in the yellow circular zones in the 3D view. We can then tell the application to now narrow down that list of relief well plans to those that originate only from those three areas. Once we apply those parameters, this list is then narrowed down for us, and we can visualize what it is done in the 3D view as well. We can then sort out these relief well plans according to the parameter of importance, just as we had done in the sidetrack planning. And once we have selected the plans that meet our needs and criteria, we simply give them the unique names and create those plans.